Welcome to the future of customer service, where AI-powered automation enhances every customer interaction. Introducing AutoAssist, powered by Nebula9.ai's EvoGen multi-agent framework. AutoAssist streamlines customer service workflows, helping your team deliver faster, more personalized support. Let's explore how AutoAssist simplifies query resolution from intake to resolution in just minutes. As you log into the system, you are met with the unified query dashboard. AutoAssist centralizes all customer inquiries, automatically identifying intent, sentiment, and urgency. The system suggests auto responses, assigns queries to the right team members, or flags cases requiring deeper support. Clicking on a query reveals full context, past interactions, sentiment analysis, and AI-driven insights. Agents can override AI decisions and adjust query classifications if needed. For frequently asked questions, AutoAssist suggests AI-generated responses with auto-filled customer details. Agents can edit, send instantly, or flag knowledge gaps to improve future responses. For cases requiring multiple teams, AutoAssist enables seamless collaboration across departments like billing, technical support, and compliance. Each department sees only relevant details, ensuring efficient problem resolution while maintaining data security. If necessary, cases can be escalated to leadership, with all supporting documents stored in one place. Before responses are sent, AutoAssist ensures compliance with built-in audit checks. Agents can insert pre-approved clauses or escalate cases for additional review. Our root cause analysis dashboard helps businesses identify trends and prevent recurring issues. AI suggests potential root causes and automatically recommends updates to the knowledge base. Critical cases requiring human oversight appear in the HITL queue for review. Supervisors can approve, edit, or escalate cases to ensure the best resolution. Supervisors get real-time insights into query resolution, team performance, and service quality, track service efficiency, and step in when needed. With AI-driven automation, real-time insights, and built-in compliance safeguards, AutoAssist transforms customer service into a seamless and efficient experience. Ready to elevate your customer service? Contact Nebula9.ai to see AutoAssist in action today.